Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Style, space, and amenities. This is everything but compromise. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, heated steering wheel, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming mirrors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Kelley Blue Book, offering the roominess of a traditional SUV but car-like handling and better fuel economy. There's a lot to like about crossover SUVs in general and the Traverse in particular. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.